Just do it! The semifinals!
I could stay away just to hear you breathing. Watch you smile while you were sleeping, while you far away and dreaming.
I can spend my life in this sweet surrender. I can stay lost in this moment forever. And every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure.
And I don't wanna miss a thing.
Even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I try, the sweetest dream would never do.
I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing.
She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky. Whoa, sweet child of mine. Whoa, sweet love of mine. Sweet child of mine. Sweet love of mine. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Shadows searching in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to the feeling, sweet like evil. Don't stop.
Alright guys, Puerto Biro, ang gagaling nyo na, pero isa sa inyo ang uuwi ngayon. Ito na ang pinatindi at
Mas umiinit na split screen kantahan sa telebisyon ang
Just Do It!
Semi-Final Round. Labanan na naman ng mga best of the best pagdating sa kantahan.
Narito na ang ating mga judges for today. Give it up for 5-time Platinum Awardee,
Wow!
Woohoo! Alden!
Talaga lagi kasama yung 5-time platinum.
Siyempre, proud kami dyan, Brad. O eto naman, ang pinakamatandang sing-along masters of Pilipinas, Dabarkad Talent K.
Bastos!
Harap-harapan, no? Harap-harapan talaga.
Pinakaluma naman, hindi mo pinakamatanda.
Sige, pinakaluman. O sige, eto naman ang nag-iisang traffic diva ng kalsada, Aisel Santos.
Pag kay Aisel, matino.
Matino siyang tao eh. Eto, pasok na sa qualifying round sina Daniel Briones of Bukawi, Bulacan at si Lian Layumas of Negros Occidental.
Ito na nga, dumating na tayo sa napaka-importante parte ng kompetisyon. Sino naman kaya ang magbabakbakan ngayon sa kantahan?
Tignan mo na muna yung mga mukha mukha nila.
Ooh, ladies.
Yung iba, relax. Yung iba, parang na-detense. Yung iba, parang wala lang.
Poleng, iikot ko to.
O, sige.
Ikaw ang
Tatalikod
bumuot,
ako.
Lou. 14 na lang to, Poleng, ha? 14 CDs left. Whoop! Oy. Alright.
Okay. Nakasil pa po ito at ating bubuksan.
Please step forward.
It's a girl. At kita ko na confident siya. Si Denise Taino!
Okay. Poleng, pakipagkwentuhan muna tayo kay Denise, ha?
Alam mo, nakita ko yung mukha niya nung sabi kong it's a girl. Sabi niya talaga,
Parang,
kayang-kaya.
Denise, are you
Very
feeling the
confident.
competition today?
Yes, of course po.
Talaga?
Pero syempre, kinakabahan pa rin. Pero hindi dapat...
Feeling ko, nakakanta sa'yo yung simula nyo, rock and roll ang dating, eh, no?
Medyo nawala yung kaba, no?
Okay.
Medyo nailabas kahit pa paano.
Denise, dahil ikaw ang unang nabunot, gusto namin tanungin, sino sa 13 na natitira ang sa tingin mo kaya mong pauwiin today?
Yes, well, first of all, I don't know po na all of us deserves to win. But of course, syempre, merong mananalo. Kailangan pa rin po.
Sino yung kaya mong pauwiin?
I love you guys, pero for now, siguro, I think Lovely.
Si Lovely ang kaya mong pauwiin. Bakit?
Yeah, well, I think it's going to be a good fight between the two of us po.
Alright, alright. Okay,
Ikaw, intrigero ka, ha?
kasi alam mo, yung mga friendly na mga ganyan, minsan dyan nagkakataon nagbabanggaan talaga.
O, Lovely, anong masasabi mo na kaya ka daw niyang pauwiin? Good luck.
Oh.
Sweet naman eh.
Well, I think it's going to be a good competition between the two of us naman po. So,
Alright.
Sweet naman yung pagkasabi.
Ito na lang.
oh, baby girl!
Sa 13 nandito, sino sa tingin nyo ang kayang magpauwi dito kay Denise?
Ako.
Ikaw! Yeah, gusto ko, Lovely. Alright,
Ganon!
let's go back and bunot.
Relax
Teka.
na lang dyan, Denise. At
Lovely,
titingnan natin.
ba't sa tingin mo, kaya mo pauwiin to si Denise?
Para lang malaman niya na kaya ko din siyang pauwi.
Yan. Friendly competition
Quits lang.
na naman. Oo.
Quits lang.
Okay, Poleng, mukhang ikaw ang may maswerteng kamay ngayon.
O sige. Sana si Lovely ang
Yeah.
Pero, never know.
Whoop! Ayan na.
Okay.
Alright. The next one that we pick will compete with Denise today.
Step forward. Rosel Solquillo.
Rosel. Na-sight ko tong si Rosel eh. Rosel, sweetheart, tayo ka muna dyan. Compose yourself. Gusto kong tanongin yung ating mga winners kahapon. Okay, Danielle, quickly. Ito pili lang. Wala nang rason-rason. Danielle and Lian. Kay Denise and kay Rosel, para sa'yo, sino ang uuwi, ang matatalo ngayon? Wala nang rason-rason. Pangalan lang.
Pangalan lang po.
Rosel or Denise?
Dennis. Dennis.
Denise ang uuwi. Alright. Thank you, Danielle.
How about you, Lian?
Lian. Wala nang
Denise.
rason-rason.
Denise.
Oh. Okay, both our winners picked Denise to go home. Kausapin natin si Rosel. Rosel, ano sa palagay mo? Sa'yo may tiwala itong mga kaibigan mo eh.
Then, trust me.
Uy, hindi ko na pakantayin na natin.
Hinga ng malalim, Denise. Rosel? Denise, yung kumpiyansa, how mong bibitawan. Let's see what the magic screen has for us.
Ooh. Big song. And big singer.
Big singer.
Miss Ima Castro. At ang kakantahin nyo ay...
Alone.
Good luck, ladies! At para sa ating mga ibang finalists,
Alright. Tambay pogi muna kayo dyan.
sit back, relax, and watch.
Ladies, Denise and Rosel, we now know what everybody thinks, but you have to prove them wrong kung sila ay kumontra sa inyo. Good luck sa inyong dalawa. Remember, just do it!
I
just we told apart. How do I let you alone? Never been out of my heart. Now it's gone mine on my own. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? How do I get you
Umiinit ang lamunan dito sa Itbulaga.
Grabe! Naglamunan yung dalawa, no?
Ay, umiinit yung labanan pala.